Hello, welcome to Kurdish lessons again. Today I'm gonna teach you 5 expressions to celebrate someone's birthday. Okay, so when someone's birthday is coming, when and how can we celebrate? Okay, so the first expression is the most common one. Rojbûna pîroz be. Happy birthday. Rojbûna pîroz be. Happy birthday to you. Okay, so actually when we celebrate something, we can use the verb pîroz be. For example, Sala nu pîroz be, like Happy New Year. Okay, so it's like extra information, but basically to say happy birthday to you, we will say Rojbûna pîroz be. And if you want to celebrate someone else's birthday, happy birthday to him, happy birthday to her, you will say Rojbûna we pîroz be, Rojbûna we pîroz be. Happy birthday to your mother, Rojbûna dayika te pîroz be. Okay, so it was the first expression. Now the second expression is, we can say her tişt dilê te be. Her tişt dilê te be. Basically we can translate it as like, I wish you the best. Her tişt dilê te be. Her tişt dilê te be. Okay, this was the second expression. And now third expression is, we can say her shad u bextewar bi. Her shad u bextewar bi. It is like, how can we translate it? It is like, be happy all the time. Her shad u bextewar bi. You all the time be happy. Her shad u bextewar bi. Okay, and the fourth one is temendirej bi. Temendirej bi. Temen is like age, life, and the synonym is amr. It's from Arabic, but Kurmanji is like Temen is Kurmanji one. So temendirej bi or amr direj bi, live long. Okay, and the last one, bextewar u xweşî be. I was looking for a translation for this expression. So good luck is a nice translation, but I know you guys don't say good luck for someone's birthday, right? So I can say bextewar u xweşî be will be let it be blessed and goodness. Okay, like let it be blessed and good. Bextewar u xweşî be. So we have learned 5 expressions, right? First one, Rojbûna pîroz be. Second one, her tişt dilê te be. Third one, her shad u bextewar be. Fourth one, temendirej be, live long. And fifth one, bextewar u xweşî be. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are looking for the expressions to celebrate someone's birthday, so this video is the best. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a perfect weekend. Paka paka.